Let's look at some special words that help us talk about quantities. Let's meet our three new friends: some, enough, and two. Imagine you're downloading a new game. You see it requires some storage space. This means it won't use too much space on your device, just a small amount. Some tells us we need a limited but necessary amount of something. Let us say you're trying to write a code with a colleague and he asks you if you know how to code. Now, if you are new to coding, you can say, "I have some basic understanding of coding." Enough means we have just the right amount of something, not too much or not too little. For example, you are trying to collect data for a project. After you collect all the data you need, you can say, "I have enough data for this project." Using to means there is more or less than necessary, and it might be a problem. To means something is not good because there's more than we need, or perhaps less than we need. For example, I have too much work to do today. The deadline is too short to complete the project. Remember, some means a limited but needed amount. Enough means exactly the amount needed. To means more or less than necessary. For example, I need some help figuring out this software. Do you have enough RAM to run this program? The air conditioner uses too much electricity. Bonus tip. Some can also be used with uncountable nouns like information or security. You can say, "This website offers some valuable information," or "You need some security software on your device." These determiners help us be clear about how much we have or need. So use them wisely, and your sentences will be even better.